Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Speaking Pro podcast. If you want to speak English confidently when traveling or at the airport, you are in the right place. Today, we will guide you through real airport English.
Hi, I'm excited to be here. Airports can be confusing, so I want to learn how to ask questions and answer in English.
Today's lesson will help you with real English conversations for travel and airports. Make sure to stay with us until the end. We'll share some super useful phrases you can use right away. Let's imagine we're at the airport now. We'll role-play a real travel situation so you can hear and practice the language you'll need.
I love that. I'm ready to travel. I have my bag, my passport, and I'm a little nervous, but I'm ready to practice my airport English with you.
Perfect. I'll be the airport staff, and you'll be our traveler. Let's get started at the check-in counter. Good morning. Welcome to the check-in counter. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here is my passport.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in today?
Yes, I have one suitcase to check in, and I'll keep my backpack with me.
Great. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat for your flight?
A window seat, please. I like to look outside during the flight. It helps me relax.
I totally get that. Here's your boarding pass with a window seat. Your gate is B12. Anything else I can help you with right now?
Thank you. Actually, can you tell me how to get to the security check?
Absolutely. Just follow the signs for security. It's straight ahead after the check-in area. Don't forget to have your boarding pass and passport ready.
That sounds easy. I'll keep my documents in my hand. Thanks for the tip.
Now imagine you're at security. The officer says, "Please remove your laptop from your bag and place it in the tray."
All right, I'll take my laptop out and put it in the tray. Do I need to take off my shoes too?
Good question. Sometimes, yes. You might hear, "Please take off your shoes and jacket," and don't forget to step through the scanner when asked.
Now that I'm through security, I'm looking for my gate. Can you help me ask, what is my gate number?
Of course, you can say, "Excuse me, what is my gate number?" If you can't find it, just show your boarding pass to an airport staff member. They'll help you.
That makes sense. It's easy to get lost in big airports. So, asking is important.
Before you go to your gate, it helps to check, when does boarding start? Or, is the flight on time?
That's super useful, because sometimes flights are delayed. I'll remember to ask, is my flight on time or delayed? So I know if I need to wait.
Exactly. And don't be shy, airport staff are there to help. Asking questions saves you a lot of stress.
Once I'm on the plane, what's a good way to ask for something simple, like water?
You can say, "Excuse me, may I have some water?" Or if you need to know how long the flight is, ask, "How long is the flight?"
And if I need the restroom, I'll say, "Where is the restroom?" I feel much more confident already.
Let's slow down and break down a few useful phrases you can use at the airport. Repeat after me. I would like to check in for my flight.
I would like to check in for my flight. That's clear and polite. What about finding the gate?
You can say, "Where is the boarding gate?" And if you want to know the time, say, "What time does the flight depart?"
If I need help, I'll say, "Can you help me, please?" That's easy to remember and very polite.
Let me explain quickly. Using simple and polite phrases helps people understand you, even if your English isn't perfect. Words like please and excuse me always make your questions sound friendly.
That makes a lot of sense. When I use these phrases, people are usually happy to help me. It also helps me feel less shy when I travel.
Exactly. And the more you practice these phrases, the easier it gets. You'll sound natural and confident at the airport. Try listening to this episode again and repeat the phrases out loud. Practice with a friend or even by yourself. It really does help you remember.
Even if you're alone, speaking out loud is great practice. I do it all the time when I'm getting ready for a trip. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's part of learning.
Before we go, let us know in the comments what you learned today. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and come back anytime you want more English practice.
Keep practicing and keep speaking, everyone. You're doing great, and every step brings you closer to speaking English with confidence.
Thanks for listening to English Speaking Pro podcast. Keep learning and keep speaking. See you next time.